everyone.
Oh.
Hi. Today, this is the start of my vlog era. Currently in our dorm. I'm just chilling and then we're gonna go to Price.
Yes.
Are we actually gonna eat?
I'm down.
Okay. Where's Abby?
We went to
Kirsten?
class today.
Yeah, tell us how our class went.
It was awesome.
What did you share in the
I
class?
got called on. He's like, what was your name? I was like, me? Jasmine. We talked about politics and science. And then I said that and I sounded real smart, I think.
We're taking Build 60, which is like this course we have to take, or not have to, but technically yes. If you didn't know, we go to UCSD. I don't know if I said that. Second years in a row, the worst college.
If you guys want a room tour, let us know.
Okay, go right now.
Apartment. Oh, okay.
Okay, we're gonna act like. Oh my gosh! Hey.
Welcome to my house.
What?
Come on in.
Okay.
On our left, we have our wall of people that have visited us. And then we have our TV here, given to us by Abby Villa. And then this is our living room. This is where the magic happens.
Bye.
This is our table, where all the other magic happens.
Where's us?
This one.
We got our belly buttons pierced together.
Yes. And this is our bathroom, where all our pictures are taken. This is my room.
Is it clean? Definitely not.
Oh, it's like average right now. And then this is my fridge.
Oh, what's in there?
Oh. Caught me. The end.
That's it.
That's our room tour.
Comment down below if you like our dorm. If not, then I don't know what to say. We're gonna go to Price. Comment down below what your panda order is. We'll catch you guys at Price Center. Guys, we just walked down Library Walk and this non-profit organization is giving out 50% off Lululemon. And we're like,
We literally did a 360.
but then we're like 99% about to buy it.
Yeah.
We remembered our New Year's resolution. Saving money.
We said
So
drop
that's-
everything and run.
So we are, but we're still on the way to
To go buy
get food. Okay, but this is on Try and Cash. Like
So
this is Price Center. It's like a food court, like mall type vibe. Now we're gonna go order our Panda Express and then I'll let you know what our food looks like. Sorry, I forgot to vlog. This is our food. Jasmine spilled like all of it on her pants, but we're back. Since we're eating, we can talk about like fave meals at UCSD.
What a transition. I love spice. That's my go-to. Like,
Ooh, we should eat there.
okay.
Why don't we go there?
Sorry, I forgot.
That shit far
It's
as
just a
fuck.
little far, yeah.
But pizza there too is good. In OBT.
Yeah. I like the Dirty Bird wings. Those are yum.
The Indian place in there is actually really good.
I'm gonna open my fortune cookie.
Me too. This is our first fortune for 2025.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh, you're already broke.
You go first.
You will touch the hearts of many.
Mine says you'll be released from the burden of your past.
Ooh.
They're cooking.
Oh my god.
Want to sleep with us?
This is Jacob. Jacob.
I was gonna get panda, but there's a long line.
Here, do you want the rest?
We're not eating it.
Why are you so skinny?
I know. Literally. Hi.
I like Lucy.
What are your favorite places to eat on campus?
I like Ravel's dining hall.
That's what I said. She
I like Al
literally-
Dente and Umi. Al Dente and Umi. I don't really like Bistro. I don't like Six Dining Hall. Besides Rooftop. And then in here I like Flavorful and Panda. Topics and mid.
We'd
We'd rather go to Tasty.
Don't need to say that right now.
It's like you can't say that word around here. You vlogging now?
Yeah.
Hey guys, let's cut the cameras. I have tea.
Okay, bye. Hi everyone. We're at my work, Art of Espresso. Jacob made us drinks. What did you make today?
I made myself a peach mango green tea.
Uh-huh.
Black tea.
We got passion fruit teas.
And what did you get?
Jacob made me a lavender matcha.
This is so cute. It's like matching you.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey. Oh, is that yummy?
Now you can't talk.
Okay.
Nice catch.
Okay, boy. Why did I want this? That was it for this vlog.
Good clip.
Bye-bye.
Good clip.
Have fun.
Small little.
Bye. We're going to class. What class do you have?
I have public health 40. When you face the camera at me,
Genetics.
it's like down here.
Wait, really?
Yeah, it's like my head is cut off. It's like this is
I have
Alana's
to cover
view of
your
me.
forehead.
No, this is Alana's view of me. This is her POV. It's like this.
That's a bad angle.
Alana tried to pour me a buzzball shot one time, and I was like significantly taller than her at the time, and she poured it like down
At the time, she
here.
hasn't grown.
No,
At
I
the
was wearing
time.
boots.
Oh, okay.
I was wearing like heels, and she tried to pour it, and I had to like.
I know when Alana, you know that video from my birthday? I'm
Yeah.
like, all the way down here.
Oh, I forgot about that.
I had to
Me
do that
too.
too.
I don't know.
You definitely
I don't know
forgot.
anything about that day.
Give us your dance moves that you hit that day. We're gonna run it back again.
Am I?
Yeah.
Yeah. I actually do want to run it back.
Okay, well, see you guys at the next one.
See you at the next rave.
Bye vlog.
Hi everyone, we're on Lawberry Walk. And we're gonna take some pictures with the furries today. Here, I'll take a picture. This is so cute. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes. No, I'm okay. Thank you so much. No, it's okay. No, I'm just.
He's not gonna bite you.
Okay. Bye.
GBM tomorrow if you're interested.
GBM?
Yeah, Price Center.
I think you're
Forum.
interested, right?
Free coffee, free games.
Oh.
Thank you.
Are you guys gonna go?
Definitely lost aura.
That was bad. Why did he ask me to take a picture too? He was like, he's not gonna bite you. I was like, I think he might.
I'm not gonna bite you.
Hi guys, we just got out of class. Okem. Guess who fell asleep?
Hi.
He's on his way to a date right now.
It's not a
It's a date to him but not to her. Comment down below what you would do if you're trying to go from friends to lovers. What is your plan? Comment down below. And he's gonna use one of your guys' comments. I currently don't have a love life right now, so every relationship update will be about Tristan. Because I'm in my healing era, you know? As I keep asking him who's of his friends are single.
There's baddies. There's baddies.
There's baddies, but they're all taken already. UCSD has like the worst population of like good looking guys, and if they are good looking then they're already taken. Well, anyways, this is my vlog for Thursday. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. All I got is lab, so I probably won't vlog, so see you next week. Hi everyone, I'm about to head out because I have lab from 10 to 3:30. I'm meeting my friends afterwards, so I'm not sure what we're doing. I think we're playing volleyball and going to the beach or something. I'm excited to see them, so yeah. We're waiting for Evan's ass to get ready.
I got here. What time?
ass is trying to figure out.
Nathan got here like 3.
We're at 3 o'clock. It's 4:14. Anyway. It's been an hour.
Rate Nathan's fit today. He's giving ABG right now. I'm ABB. Let's go to Seaside.
Like, kind of down.
We should go to Seaside. That's cute.
But what pant are you gonna wear? I'm so done.
Do you not have any pants?
She just said she's wearing jeans.
I wear sweatpants every day.
So you deadass only have these
I
clothes.
have never seen.
Evan's room is like the messiest place I've ever been. Can you give a dorm tour?
Clean your.
Hey guys.
Hey!
This is my dorm.
Wow.
This is the kitchen that I don't use because I'm fucking lazy. This is.
Which one's your side?
Is this one?
You don't keep your toothbrush out, right?
No.
Oh!
Wait guys, my New Year's resolution is to learn how to do the splits by next year.
No, the New Year's resolution is to clean your dorm. Oh my god! Okay, well, we're gonna go to Artisan, but I guess we're bonfiring later. This is where you want to live if you go to UCSD. But here's 8th. Wow.
It's hard being a bad bitch.
Why are you so cringe?
I don't know. Why are you my friend?
Yeah, your mom hasn't paid me, so I honestly don't know. If you're planning UCSD, you want to get into 8th. If you get into Revelle, just go somewhere else. Do you want to?
Jazz.
Jasmine's there.
Oh, she is?
Yeah, do you want me to say hi? Guys, I'm back at home with Jasmine.
Hi. Have you guys subscribed? You haven't?
Oh. Okay, well, we're gonna go to ETC soon. Bye! Hey! So POV, we're going to La Jolla Shores to Bonfire.
Second time.
We're meeting AJ, Gordon, and Taylor. Sorry I didn't vlog. We ate Chick-fil-A, and I just didn't want to get flamed by my friends, but I'll vlog later. We're gonna play music. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'll see you at the beach. Us one SZA. Hey guys, we're at La Jolla Shores. Oh my god, guys.
We're gonna do the song I was listening to. Oh, it's still
I can't
on.
even hear it. Wait,
Is this the
great.
first vlog?
Yeah, I'm gonna post
This is
it
pretty
next
cool.
week.
The thing's nice, and it got a little tripod and everything.
Yeah. Can we get a fit check?
Check.
Okay, fit check.
I thrifted this today. So it's-
Today?
Yeah.
I knew it. I
how
knew it. I
much?
was gonna say when we were Chick-fil-A.
From the thrift, it says Yosemite.
Uh-huh.
I
It
thrifted
says Yellowstone, dumbass.
Oh, Yellowstone. My bad, my bad. Thrifted these. These are my brothers.
Give us a tattoo tour.
Tattoo tour. Evan, get the light on. These.
Sorry, I'm dual flashlighting right now.
Wow.
All right, hold on a fit check.
I'm
On a
not.
fit
No, no.
You have to. You
No,
have
I don't.
to.
You have to.
No.
You have to.
No. This is a bad angle. Oh. We're starting the fire now. That's actually insane. This is Taylor. Say hi. Wow. Sorry, I'm getting your feet. That's really weird. Hello. Oh, that's my boba. Do you like balls?
I love black balls.
Oh.
So that means that.
Good morning, everyone. It's currently 8 a.m. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I'm currently walking on the beach. My New Year's resolution for 2025 was to walk on the beach more. This morning I woke up like 6:45, 7. Now it's 8 a.m. We're walking on the beach. And yeah, so I'll see you guys for week 2. Hey everyone, I just got out of class. I'm on my way to work right now. I haven't been to work in like a week. I'll see you guys there. Hey! We're here at work. This is Amanda.
With the new apron.
Yes, wait. This is Izzy.
Let's give a tour of the fridge.
Okay.
First we got this magnet.
Ew.
That guy's one handsome motherfucker. Look at that guy. Oh my goodness.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
The speaker is so loud right now. There's not that much in this car. We have the espresso.
Wow.
Right here we have the patience. We have where the money is kept. That was cute.
Give us a taste test.
Let's taste it. Let's open this bad boy up.
Mmm. Whoa, why is it so dark in here?
Look, you gotta show.
Wow.
Tomato matcha. Do you have a chocolate chip? Ew, I don't like that.
This is how we make our matcha.
Okay, but like also matcha.
I'll try.
There's 3 people on the car.
Okay, y'all got this.
Anything else?
Basically, you put the coffee and it grounds in the portafilter, and then you put it in this little thing and it squishes it like that.
I'm gonna make the juice, or are you guys good?
Oh, we're chilling. Okay, this is it for the shift. Okay, bye. Hey everyone. We're here at UTC.
Yay.
I'm here with Evan, Gordon, and Kai. We're eating at Ramen Nagi, and it's Kai's first time.
Thank you for having me.
Okay.
Alana, your hair looks healthy.
Oh my god!
Yo, I thought it was like OD. No, I thought it was like OD to say that.
Bye.
Actually looks mad healthy.
Wow.
Actually, yeah.
Wait, guys, stop.
Hey, you got your bill though.
Wait,
No
thank
more
you.
compliments.
No,
for Alana,
thank you so much. Okay, fuck you. That's fine. Here's ramen nagi. Wow. Hey everyone, we just got our food.
Yes.
Wow. Wait, you need to give us a review.
Yeah, I'm trying to
find my sauce.
You're lost in the sauce or what?
No, the sauce is lost.
The sauce is good.
Okay, sauce. Oh my gosh, your first bite of ramen nagi.
So good.
So good.
But
Moving on to my, that just ass.
Sorry, that was
so
like
good. That's such a bad
the
review.
whole reaction.
Yeah.
Was so good.
What's your rating?
8 out of 10. And I felt the process too. Like how the status
period.
happened.
Real.
Oh my god.
Yummy.
Wait, he low-key just made your like
Wow.
so much better for me.
Thank you. Hey, we just got in the car.
When y'all wanna hop on?
Wait, but what cord is
No, what
it?
cord
Is it the iPhone charger?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have USB-C.
Damn.
He was like, you were setting that
Y'all can get the fuck.
Hey everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for having us.
Not to put the guys on the spot, but the guys are also coming up Saturday.
Like who? Like as in who?
Same people, I think.
The fuck?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, you're not there.
yeah, I'm not allowed.
Man, his girlfriend don't know shit about shit.
Oh, cut that out.
This song low key
keep the
grew
shit
on
in
me.
Okay, bye everyone. Hey. Hi. Welcome to the vlog. Oh my god. Oh my god. So we're actually too fucking heavy. We're actually gonna break it and it's gonna be really embarrassing. Welcome to, it's January 14th.
We just came from class.
Again. I didn't vlog yesterday, or kind of. I low-key keep forgetting to like vlog at the end of the day. And then it just cuts to the next day.
When I'm on library walk,
I look for baddies. Wait, me too. There's 0 right now. I feel like baddies don't wake up this early.
or they do, and like,
But they're like
awake.
they're like gymming or like
Yeah.
that should be us. Okay, well I have work. See you guys later. Bye.
Hi guys, I'm Jacob. Alana, I got her the job here, so I got connections like that.
Someone needs to humble you.
Boom.
Ow! Oh my god.
Oh, but like these girls be bullying me.
Who?
You
The fuck?
and Amanda.
Wow.
You said
We
you're-
literally just said we're your best friends.
But am I your best friend?
Yes. Hi, do you want to be in my vlog?
Yeah. What is up, vlog? Look at this noob right here. He's new. Can you get me something to eat?
Okay, everyone. We're gonna make drink. I'm actually gonna do my job.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Hey, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning. They sell labs like PPE at Price PPE, personal protective equipment.
This is Cam.
I'm Cam.
Yeah, introduce yourself.
And what'd you say?
I said my name's Cam. Like rock climbing and biking. I don't know. That's all you can think of. I can't believe that's spelled like that.
You literally came over here.
I can't take you a hug.
Oh.
Damn, that was a big bite.
So mean. Okay, well I'm gonna head to mom's. I'll see you at 10:45. Hey, I literally forgot to vlog when I went to mom's. Oh, look who visited me. Oh my god, this is your guys' first time meeting Abby.
Oh my gosh, hello. We're here to visit the baddest Art of Espresso workers here.
The fuck?
There's others. I like Miss Alana because she's always down to get boba, and like I always want boba. And like when Alana's not here, I'm like, I want boba, but where's Alana? Because like you can't have it without Alana. Guys, if you love Alana and the Art of Espresso, comment down below what's your favorite drink. Leave a like, and if you're not subscribed, then I will find you. Okay, bye vlog. Say bye.
Hey, We're here in Geisel.
We're studying.
We're supposed to be studying right now, but we're going on our playlist because they're just so good.
They're just so good.
Touch, bro, touch. Like, fuck. Not her searching up Spotify to join this bitch. Dude. Like, why is she eating right now? Oh.
Fucking standing ovation.
So that was us reacting to songs. It's been 30 minutes.
30 minutes of not doing shit.
If you want to know about all the songs I listened to just now, my Spotify is down below. If you don't want to subscribe, at least follow my Spotify. Okay, we're gonna watch one more song and then we're gonna study. Anyways, we will see you guys for the next one.
Oh, I turned it off.
Bye. Bye. Hey everyone. I feel like I'm like bad at vlogging because it's like cuts. Like today's Thursday. We're just finished filming our podcast.
Go subscribe. Go listen to our podcast. Right now, the username is just Lana Jazz.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed my very first vlog.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks for watching the whole thing if you did, and we'll see you guys for the next one. Bye.